Hi, this is RockinRobin, and today we're in Miami. Now, when you think of Miami, you think of the beaches like South Beach or maybe Wynwood Murals. Well, today we're in the jungle. That's right, we're in Jungle Island, and we are going to show you all around. We are even going to bring you on a lemur encounter. Wow, this is going to be a great day. This is a fun place. Come with me. All right, so this is the front of Jungle Island where you're gonna walk in and get tickets. You can get tickets for just entry, $29.95, or you can get them to have an encounter. There's various encounters. There's a wallaby, there is the lemurs, there is capybara, and you can also feed several of the animals like the flamingos if you wish. So we chose to have an encounter with the lemurs. We're gonna feed them and, you know, just see them for 15, 20 minutes. And I thought that was really cool. It's about $89.99. So now we are going to walk in. Now, a lot of what you're gonna see here is because they are having Luminosa, which is a show, and it lights up all the lanterns, and they have that, I think, through like sometime in March. I'm not really sure. The first thing that we did was see a show. They're twice a day at 11 a.m. and 3 p.m.
But since owls have asymmetrical hearing, they tend to have one ear slightly down and one more up, allowing them to hear left, right, all around, in all kinds of directions without having to tilt their heads. You're very brave right now. Awesome. Now make sure you're not cheating, guys. And in 3, 2, 1. What are you guys holding? Yes, this is snake. Now, guys, you guys can open up your eyes a little bit by your parents and smile very big for that camera. Amazing.
So that was a lot of fun for everyone. I want to give you a little trivia. This place has been around since 1935. It used to be called Parrot Jungle, and even Winston Churchill visited back in the day. Well, now it's a full-on adventure hub, and the vibe here is basically tropical rainforest meets urban jungle. You got the Miami skyline on one side and 1.3 miles of exotic trails on the other. Now, a lot of what you're seeing here is for that Luminosa. And it's very bright and very beautiful. If you get a chance to see that, you should go. Now, this is the treehouse. They talk about this treehouse a lot. This is called Treewalk Village. And it's open to everyone. Children tend to love it, but adults can check it out too. As you can see, this is a massive network of tree houses and nets that is honestly way more fun than it should be, even for adults. Also found this tree stump stepping. I had to try it out for myself. I found my way around it. We are continuing our way through the Jungle Island, and we are searching for some animals, but we kept getting distracted by all the exhibits from the Luminosa. So I do want to show you a few more things that we did find. Look at this. There was a lot of Egyptian type displays over here, and I took that as a challenge. You'll see what I mean by that later. We went on our way, we found these people, and look at them. Look what they're dressed in. They are going to go hang out on the zip line. And we're going to show you a little bit of that at certain points. We will show you what the zip line likes, but you can do that as well if you want to zip line through Jungle Island. So anyway, we did see a few strange looking chickens. They were kind of cool. And we saw some monkeys. They were pretty loud monkeys, and they were pretty bright, I'll tell you. They were throwing a little tantrum, and they were picking up their bowl and smashing it and waiting to be fed. Very much a character. Here again are some more of the lanterns leading our way across the jungle. Now I saw this whale. I don't know if this is a permanent exhibit or not. Oh, hi. Well, I'll let you know there's nothing very exciting in that mouth. And then we saw some more. And I thought, boy, this is really a lot of stuff for Luminosa. Check out this display. This is, oh, someone walking like an Egyptian. Hey, it's not very good, but I tried. So here is the petting zoo, and there was a lot of goats. Very cute. I really like this guy. And, you know, we were getting anxious because we only had like 45 minutes until our lemur encounter. So don't leave. You got to see that. But we continued, and we saw the flamingos. I want to tell you, it smelled very bad around the flamingos. I don't know if it was them or another animal, but that odor was bad. I wouldn't want to be there feeding them, and I tried to get out of there as fast as I can, but I did want to show you what they look like. If you are coming here, I want to recommend that you get here early because the Florida heat can be hot, and it also does get crowded, so see as much as you can. Here is an emu, and don't put your fingers in there because he does bite. We did get a chance to see somebody ziplining. Isn't that cool? I'd love to do that. I want to tell you, if you're an animal lover, this is paradise. Because you're not just looking through glass here. It's famous for its animal encounters. You know, next time maybe we want to do a real life sloth. We're going to show you some sloths in a minute. But first we are heading to the aviary. The macaws were amazing here. Now it's time for the sloths. Look how cute they are. I love the fact that they are so slow. Look at this guy. He is trying hard to get up to the top. He wants to see the other sloth, but it feels like he's going in slow motion and that it's going to take a half an hour before he gets there. Doesn't he know there's only like 10 minutes or so before we have to do our lemur encounter? Hurry it up. Oh, he's so slow. We found another area for zip lining, and we would have loved to watch them zip line there. But we were in a hurry, so we had to run because we did not want to miss that lemur encounter. And we even got a little dizzy. But you know what? We made it.
Hi! Hi! Dad gave me more, I'm sorry. Your dad only gave me one little banana. I get nothing else. Oh, you stay here. You stay here, baby.
Oh my gosh, he's all over my arm.
Amazing.
Isn't he adorable? We did get to feed them and hold them a little bit as they ran around with us. If you want to see the full video, we will have a full video of the lemur encounter coming soon. Your best bet is to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss when that happens. Definitely enjoyed our time with the lemur. That was the best part, but it was time to say goodbye to the lemurs, and it was very sad. I want to tell you about this Amazon parrot. There's only like 11 or 12 in the world, and this is the only one that's on display that you can actually see. And he's sleeping here, but I thought that was cool. And of course, we didn't want to not show you the capybaras because they're very cute too, and there's just turtles all over the place. Well, this is RockinRobin. I hope you enjoyed your visit with us to Jungle Island, and you saw that Miami has a lot to offer. Well, please remember to subscribe, hit the bell, give us a big thumbs up, and watch all our videos. We have a lot of videos around Miami and all of Florida.